So basically, you have three options. You have the edit, collage, and batch. Edit is just for simple editing pictures. Collage is for you to make collages, and you have the batch option, which is you select a folder and you edit all of the pictures in that folder at the same time. So let's start with edit. So to start, you would have to click start. So on your right hand, you have a bunch of tools. You can choose to crop your image. You can adjust. You can mess with your exposure. You can mess with your brightness, your contrast, and your saturation. You also have other tools like RGB. You can mess with your curve. You have your effects, which is like your Instagram filters and stuff like that. You can mess with the intensity also on your filters. You can also change your focus. They have different focus levels. You also have your text option. Click add text and you type it. You can change your text size. You can change your color. The vertical spacing, character spacing, and also you can add shadow. You can also change your font. You can also add borders. So to export, you would click export and save to your computer. You can resize it and also choose your JPEG quality. So let's look at collage. So collage is basically, it works the same way. To start, you would click on add and choose the pictures you'd like. They have different templates. So Let's say you wanted 3 pictures. You can change the zoom on the pictures. You can also change the borders width. You can add a shadow, and you can round it, make the edges round. They also have a freestyle, so it'd be like a lot more like a collage. They have different themes for your background, so if you'd like to make like a, maybe you would want to make like a birthday card or something like that. Or if you went traveling and you wanted to make a travel collage or something, you can change the width on the border. You can change your opacity, and you can rotate it and resize it. So to export it, it would work the same way. You would press export, save to computer, or wherever you wanted to save it. It gives you the same option to resize it or change to the JPEG quality. And yeah. So now we're going to be looking at batches. So you would select your folder, open, and it opens up all of your pictures in your folder. So, basically batches. I wouldn't recommend it if you have different pictures. If your pictures are basically the same scene or something like that, this would work better. Basically, you have the option to edit all of your pictures at once. So that means if you choose a filter, that filter will be applied to all of it. If you mess with like the borders or anything like that, it's going to affect all three of your all of your images. So it's a good tool to have if you're editing like a bunch of pictures that have the same lighting or something like that. But if your pictures are all different, it doesn't really work, as you can see from my tutorial. So yeah, like I said, you could add borders and it's gonna add to the same. So so you'd save, and yeah, that is my tutorial for Fotor.